Hi, let's start topological sorting. So topological sorting for a graph is not possible if the graph is not a DAG. Means for topological sort, the graph should be a DAG, that is directed acyclic graph. So there should be direction and there should be no cycle. Then only you can do topological sorting. So what is it? It is a linear ordering of vertices such that for every directed edge UV, vertex U come before V in the ordering. Suppose a graph is given. By just using this definition, like you can make a list, okay, where if there is a directed as uv, you should come before v. So just by using this definition you can find topological sorting, or you can use the algorithm. Okay, there are different type of algorithm. There some is using in degree, but I am here doing using DFS. So how you can do topological sorting using DFS? So this is the algorithm. First run DFS, then formulate a linked list of node of spanning tree in decreasing order of finishing time or pop time. So you have to write decreasing order of finishing time, so that will be a topological sort. So let me do through a graph. So this is a graph. I will do topological sort on that. So you can see how many DFS, that many topological sort. Like here, there are two branches. Okay, from A, either you can visit to B or you can visit C. Two adjacent are there. So there will be two DFS, and here also from D you can either go E or F. So there will be two DFS. The total there are four branches, so four topological sort will be there. So what will be this? So from A either you can go B or you can go C. Then from B you can go D. After B there should be D. B, D, then E, F, that can be alternate, like either you can visit F, E or you can visit E, F. And before G, C should be there. So E, F, then C, G or F, E, C, G. And other way is from A, you can start with C, A, C, G. But before G, this part should be come. So A, C, then you can start B, then D, E, F, G, or you can say F, E, G. Okay. So these are the four topological sorts. So let me do through DFS. So I'll start from vertex A. So I'll write here 1. So that is the discovery or your push time. So I'll just push A onto the stack. Then I'll start with B. So I'll write 2 here. I'll push B onto the stack. Then I'll write 3. I'll push D onto the stack. Then 4. I'll push E onto the stack. So now you can see G don't have an adjacent left. G all adjacent are visited. So what we will do, we'll pop G. So whenever you will pop G, you will write 1 here. Or you can just write, whenever you are popping, you can make a list and you can just write G here. Then E don't have any adjacent left, so I'll pop E. So just write 2 here and you can write a list E. Then any adjacent of D is left, yes, F is left, so you just push F. And what will be sequence number? It will be 6 because last it was 5, so I'll just push F. So now uh, and any adjacent of F is left? No, so just pop F. So I'll write here 3 and I'll pop F. So whenever you are popping, you just write in the list. Then I'll pop D because no adjacent of D is left, so I'll write D. Then I'll pop B, so I'll write here 5. Then any adjacent of A is left, yes, C is left, just push C onto this stack. So here it will be 7, just push C onto this stack. And now any adjacent of C is left, no, so just pop C. So here I will just pop C and I will write here. Then I will pop A, so I will write 7 here. So and I'll pop A. So now you can see A, C, B, D, F, E, G. So this is this list. So this list we found by doing the DFS. Then the decreasing number of pop time or finishing time. Here you can see A time is 7, then C time is 6, B time is 5, then D time is 4, F time is 3, then E time is 2, G time is 1. Or whenever you are popping directly, you can write in the reverse order. So let me do another example. So here I will not use the number, I will directly do from the stack. Okay, so that will be more easy for you. Let me push A onto the stack, then C onto the stack. So after C, I'll push G. Then no adjacent of G is left, so I'll pop G. Whenever you are popping, just write the list. Then after G, I'll pop C. Just write C here. Then A adjacent B is left, just push B. Then B adjacent D is left, just push D. Then D adjacent E is left, just push E. Then G, already we have visited, so we'll not push G. So now any adjacent of E is left? No, so just pop E. So whenever you are popping, you just write in the list. Then any adjacent of D is left? Yes, just push F. We now push F. So any adjacent of F is left? No, so just pop F, write F here. Then pop D, so write D here. Then pop B, just write B here. Then pop A, write A here. So we found A, B, D, F, E, C, G. So that is A, B, D, then F, E, C, G. We found this list. Okay. So the steps of finding topological sorting is do the DFS. Then according to the finishing time, so write in the decreasing order. So what are the finishing time? Just write in the decreasing order. Or from the stack, when you are doing a pop, just write that in a reverse order from right to left. You will get a topological sort. Thank you.